Well, we are staying on the storm watch with an eye on the major winter storm still making a mess of the journey home for thousands of Thanksgiving travelers. More than 5,000 flights delayed today, hundreds more canceled altogether.
And tonight, a lot of planes full of weary travelers from the chilly north are landing in not so warm South Florida. CBS 4's Hank Tester is live at Miami International Airport with a look. Hank.
Well, they think it's warm down here, but the folks that are departing, it's been a real hassle all day long. This is typical here. You see the flight to Boston, it's been canceled. You look down here, and this kind of tells a story. Chicago, 9:37 p.m., plane is supposed to take off, now at 1 a.m. That's the issue. Let's take a look.
One line, please, one line.
Line them up and head them out if they can get out on time. Weather caused delays at Miami International Airport.
I'm trying to check, but if it's gonna snow, I ain't going. Yeah, I'm not going.
Flights into New York, Newark, Philadelphia, Boston delayed. Not many cancellations, but here in Miami, departures delayed as much as 3 hours.
I just got an email and it says diverted to Dallas. So I want to find out why. It's raining very hard in San Francisco.
But Chicago not so bad if you got out early and you're now out of the cold.
I went early enough in the morning to just go right through the line.
The major snowstorm blanketing the Northeast expected to impact air travel for the next 24 to 36 hours. Here at MIA, no one camping overnight, but delays and uncertainty.
I haven't heard anything yet, but it's an hour from now, so who knows, I guess.
Much the same story at Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport. 49 flight delays, 10 cancellations.
And they say, what, 11? And we're crossing our fingers that at 10:55 they don't say you're canceled. Because that's a possibility.
Now it's 2 hours delayed, so now we are flying at 11:30, hopefully.
And we have no voucher.
But, yeah, I hope that's the case.
Well, those coming in are just glad to see some warm weather. Those heading out just want to see an airplane. Best advice, check with your airline before you come to the airport. That's the very latest. I'm Hank Tester, CBS 4 News Tonight. Back to you.
That can be a nightmare. Thank you, Hank.